kinds of startups I would see doing very well in East Africa are startups that are focused in the traditional sector. When I say traditional, I'm saying non-technology. So people who are doing startups in the FMCG sector, making hair products for women, making clinics, chains of clinics, pharmacies, people doing maize products or agriculture products. Again, that's why we've selected to invest in those sectors, because we're seeing people who actually leave traditional businesses and go into those areas to do startups. They tend to be much more sustainable and much more able to succeed. A failure rate for VC is actually driven by, I would say, two things. One is the VCs themselves, because at the end of the day, the VC who's making the investment needs to know how to support this investment to succeed. And then the other one, of course, the investees or the entrepreneurs. So it's a two-way. So you'll find there will be those VCs that are going to become very, very good because they know how to select companies, they know how to support them, they know how to get them to the next stage. But another function also is that there is a failure ratio. So even as VCs begin to improve, you want to see many more companies coming through, because the more companies there are, the more of them that are going to succeed. If the success ratio is 1 to 10 and you only had 10 companies starting up, only one will succeed. If you had 100 companies starting up, 10 will succeed. In absolute numbers, now you have 10 versus 1. So we need to have many more people starting up companies with many more people supporting them in order for us to start having a higher success in absolute numbers.
So for those